Let's talk about WSL briefly. WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux, and it's a very lightweight virtual machine to use Linux through a terminal only. As we all know, Gaussian works better with Linux terminals. We'll be using WSL in our Windows system to have the advantage of both Windows and Linux on the same machine, without installing a GUI-based large virtual machine. All the commands with their usage are available to copy and download as a text file on my website. Also, a sample Gaussian input file will be available for download. The link is in the description. Let's jump into the tutorial part. Let's install WSL first. Open Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell in administrator mode and run the following command. The previous command only works if WSL is not installed at all. Otherwise, you have to install the suitable Linux distribution only. As I have previously installed WSL in my system, I have to install the preferred distribution only. I'm using the Ubuntu distribution for this tutorial.
It will take some time depending on your system configuration.
Create a username and password for your Linux instance. Create Gaussian folder and navigate to that using the following commands. Create a Scratch folder inside the Gaussian directory. Navigate back to the Gaussian directory using the command cd::. Check if the su command password is the same as the sudo command password using the su command. If it is not the same, it'll say authentication failure. Change the su command password using the following command. Now, download the Gaussian16 Linux version source code as a zip file and unzip it. Download link is in the description. Move the downloaded G16 folder to any convenient drive such as F. Now, copy the G16 folder to Gaussian folder of your Linux instance using the following command. Don't panic, it'll take some time. Give the su command and enter the password. You'll be in the user's root instance. Copy all the commands from group add Gaussian to apt install, and paste them into the terminal by right-clicking, and hit enter. Ignore my two-time copy pasting here. You can do the whole job at once. Now, exit from the su instance by giving the exit command. Open the .bashrc file with the nano editor by giving the command nano.bashrc and paste the following lines at the end of the file. Finally, hit Ctrl+O, Enter, and Ctrl+X, one by one to save the changes. Run the source.bashrc command to execute the edited file. Navigate to the Gaussian root directory by the following command. Give G16 command to enter into the Gaussian instance. Terminate the Gaussian instance by pressing Ctrl+C. Copy the Gaussian input file from your preferred drive into the Gaussian folder using the copy command. You can check the files in the Gaussian folder using the ls command. Use cat command to print the text of the file in the terminal and use nano editor to edit the file. Run the Gaussian calculation using the following command.
It will take some time depending on your system configuration and molecule size.
Use cat command to see the whole text, and grep command to see a specific line in the log file. Move all three files into your preferred drive using the mv command. Or, you can use cp command also to copy the files. Finally, find the log file in your drive, open it with your preferred text editor and analyze the result. Let me know your thoughts on this tutorial in the comment section. Contact me at www.oratoroi.live if you have any doubts regarding this, or anything else.